Welcome back, another Destination Modified video, this time with a better face. Nah, leave that bit out. So, from the previous video, as you'll have seen near the end, we were on the BC Racing website because we'd ordered these. So, we haven't really opened them or anything yet, apart from the box that we have opened them while we're live. Right? I've not actually opened them to take them out of the box yet. I went for the true rears, which states that you've got to have like a roll cage or some sort of structural support, because obviously you're doing away with the lower spring perch and everything. And so I'm going to go full cage, welded in, and obviously reinforce the struts, and then that'll tie in with the colour of the wheels that I've got, which obviously you'll see at a later date. The colour of the car as well is also going to change, because I wanted blue and I've got not blue.
The opposite of blue.
Yeah. So that's going to get changed, and I'm actually just going to give it to Ross as well, who's an actual vinyl wrapper, because I'm not. So I don't like the colour, and I don't like anything. Don't like anything. Now the car's actually alright, just the colour's terrible, but I'm going to get all the wee indents and that you can see through the wrap sorted before actually getting Ross to do it. But I'm going to change the colour completely, not even going for the blue or anything anymore. Again, that'll be like a reveal later on. But today we're going to fit these, and then we've also got adjustable tool arms and traction arms. There's already the camber arms even on it. I fit them previously, but these are not here. I got them second hand because cheapskate, and they were pillow ball joints and everything, so I thought why not. They've also had the handles and the mirrors fully painted gloss black, and again that will tie in the colour and everything when we go for that. And there's other bits getting sent away as well. But today we'll fit these, leave them off because obviously why not. And yeah, enjoy.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
So Callum says he's got clips. I didn't see any being taken. Hopefully there's enough for a video. If not, this is the end anyway. So, coilovers are on, as you'll see by the clips, I guess.
You can literally see them just there.
And you can see them here, yeah. And the camber arms in the front, all the arms even on the back. Don't worry about obviously this disastrous break. Very tasty. They're obviously get replaced. So the calipers will get stripped, rebuilt, painted to the same colour as the colour I've chosen for the car, and then that'll look better. But what else is there? Oh, I forgot to mention earlier about these wettings. So Rocket Bunny just literally purely smoothed into the standard metal wings, so the fitment's like perfect. I did get these second hand, but they were in a better.
They had seen better days, let's be honest.
So there was fair bits of typical fiberglass type repair stuff and that, hence why it's now, they were purple, but they're now two-tone. This is actually the new wrap. Nah, but they painted here black for us as well, just so when the wrap does go on that, it just kind of tidies it up a wee bit. They're also slightly, the reason I changed them from the other ones that I had on, the crown carbon ones, where they're very much like square, they're 50mm front, 50mm rear. These are about 30mm, so they look, it just looks nicer in my opinion. It's like wide at the back end, the way it should be. Probably got to run a bit of camber on the front, just because the new wheels were kind of compensating for the bigger wings, but these look 10 times better, so they should be pretty sick. That'll probably. I actually don't even know what's next on this. I sold the M4. So hopefully I'll kind of recoup some bits from that. I've still got obviously all the bags and the exhaust stuff and that to sell, and then that'll basically just hopefully I'll put some into the old savings and that, keep Shan happy, and the rest will go in the car. So hopefully I'll start ordering stuff over kind of Christmas and what have you, and then for springtime next year I'm hoping to have it on the road, and that'll be a big reveal on how it all looks, colour, wheels, whatever, but that'll be in the process in it. So hopefully it's been a bit of a better video than, I don't even know what the last 3 videos were. Just Kelvin, that's better than Kelvin, so you'll be fine. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and keep up to date with the videos, and as always, stay jolly. Bye!